This video demonstrates an MRI examination of the left knee, which is a highly sensitive and accurate imaging modality for comprehensive evaluation of the knee joint and surrounding soft tissues. MRI allows detailed assessment of the osseous structures, including the femur, tibia, and patella, as well as the bone marrow signal, helping to identify bone contusions, occult fractures, or marrow edema. The articular cartilage is carefully evaluated for its thickness and integrity, which is essential in detecting cartilage defects, thinning, and degenerative changes. Special attention is given to the menisci, namely the medial and lateral meniscus. Evaluation of the anterior horn, body, and posterior horn helps in diagnosing meniscal tears, degeneration, or displacement. The cruciate ligaments, particularly the anterior cruciate ligament, ACL, and posterior cruciate ligament, PCL, are assessed for continuity, signal alteration, and morphology to detect partial or complete ligament tears. The collateral ligaments, including the medial collateral ligament, MCL, and lateral collateral ligament, LCL, are examined for evidence of ligament sprain or injury. MRI also evaluates the quadriceps tendon, patellar tendon, and surrounding muscles, which is helpful in identifying tendinopathy or tendon tears. The joint space is inspected for joint effusion, synovial thickening, or inflammatory changes. Additionally, evaluation of the popliteal fossa helps in detecting conditions such as a Baker's cyst. Multiple MRI sequences, including T1-weighted, T2-weighted, proton density, fat-suppressed, and STIR, are obtained in sagittal, coronal, and axial planes to ensure a thorough and accurate assessment of the knee joint. Overall, MRI of the left knee plays a crucial role in diagnosing traumatic injuries, chronic knee pain, swelling, mechanical symptoms, and joint instability.